Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to send your Sweatcoin into an exchange market like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin that has the near protocol. And now what I mean by near protocol is that that's the only protocol as of now that we could actually send our Sweatcoin into. We can't send it into the ERC20 as of now because it's not yet checked up or not yet approved. So we are just going to be waiting for that. But I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer it to an exchange market using the near protocol. So first thing first, you have to download a wallet with an exchange that has the near protocol, and one of the platforms I'm going to be using today is KuCoin. So you could go into your Play Store, download KuCoin. After downloading KuCoin, you want to log into the app. After logging in, you want to verify yourself. After verifying, you want to open the app just like this and then go into assets. When you go into assets, they'll ask for your your fingerprints. You put it in there and then you go to main and type on Sweat. Then you see it right here. After clicking on Sweat, you go right there and you click on deposit. Now they're asking if you want to deposit through the Ethereum blockchain or through the near protocol blockchain. So we are going to be using the near protocol since the Ethereum, the ERC20 is not working at the time. It has not yet been set. So we are going to get the address right here, copy it. After copying that address, you just go back home and then go into your Sweat wallet where you will be transferring this available balance into your exchange market. So we are just going to, after opening the app, we are going to hit on transfer and hit on send, and then paste this address right there and click search. It has been approved, and then we'll click on continue. By clicking on continue, put the amount. I want to see I'm sending the max amount I have, and you can see that the fee is actually 0, and we are going to hit on continue, and we'll just swipe this right here to confirm the transfer and then wait for it to load. Boom, and that transfer has been made right here. Congratulations, Sweat sent successfully. So we are just going to close this right here. After closing that, we are going to go back home, go into our KuCoin account, and we'll refresh this account right here. Refresh that again. Good, and you can see right here 51.83 Sweat has actually entered my account, and you can see it was not too big enough, just a $0.92. So guys, that is exactly how to transfer Sweat from your Sweat balance to an exchange market. So if you love this video, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Do have a nice day and watch out for the next content.